and welcome to another in the Ask the Data Governance Coach video series. And today's question is, should the data governance manager be responsible for implementing an MDM tool? So this was a question sent in to me by Bethany, and thank you for sending that. I think it's a really good question. I think there is a danger when you become known as the data governance manager or perhaps data governance lead in your organization that perhaps you're responsible for all things data. And clearly, there has to be some delineation of what you do and what you don't do. Now, if you go and watch some of my other videos or read my blogs, I've talked about how vital data governance is to the success of master data management. So clearly, the data governance manager and their team should be involved in the project that is going to implement a master data management tool for your organization, because if they don't put data governance in place, they're investing an awful lot of money in a master data tool that won't do what they think it will if they don't address the underlying data that's going to go into it. However, I don't believe that the data governance manager should be responsible for project managing that project. It is a huge task to choose and implement a master data tool for an organization. And I think it needs to have the focus of a project manager whose role is to focus purely on that. I can assure you the data governance manager and team will have more than enough to do with implementing data governance if it hasn't already been put in place, and making sure that the data is defined and quality rules written and possibly even cleansed ahead of the migration to the master data management tool. So my advice, make sure your master data management has a project manager, but absolutely make sure the data governance team are involved. I hope you found that helpful. If you have, please help me help as many people as possible be successful with data governance by liking and sharing this video on your choice of social media channel. And don't forget, if you've got any questions that you'd like answered, just email them in to questions@nicolarascombe.com.